Tanya Fiducia, owner and founder of All Service Concierge. Thank you so much for stopping by our website. I invite you to take a look around to get to know us a little better. We work with local families by helping them with their babysitting and light housekeeping needs. And we also work with small business owners by providing a personal assistant for them and their businesses. We do not have any requirements or minimums. All of our staff is background and criminal checked, certified, and you get to meet them ahead of the time and find who is the right fit for your family or your business. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Have a wonderful day.